In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invite on Trello, a task that is crucial for anyone looking to collaborate on projects with teammates smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're new to Trello or just need a refresher, these steps will ensure you join your workspace without a hitch. First things first, you'll want to start by checking your email. This is because Trello sends the board invites directly to the email address you've provided to them. Make sure to look in your inbox for an email from Trello, and remember to check the spam or promotions folders too, just in case it got filtered there by mistake. Once you've located the invitation email, all that's left to do is open it. Inside you should see a button or link that says Join Board, Accept Invite, or something along those lines. It's usually prominent in the email, so you shouldn't have trouble spotting it. Clicking this button is your gateway to the Trello board you've been invited to collaborate on. After you've clicked the button, another critical step is to log into your Trello account. If you already have an account, just enter your email and password as you usually would. In the case where you don't have an account yet, not to worry, Trello provides you with the option to create one at this stage. It's straightforward and shouldn't take more than a few minutes. Just follow the on-screen prompts to sign up, and you'll be set. Once logged in, you'll be automatically directed to the board or workspace you were invited to. And that's it, you're now part of the board and ready to dive into the tasks and updates that await you. It's really as simple as that. One quick tip before we wrap up: if you regularly receive invitations to different boards, it might be helpful to create a dedicated label or folder in your email client. This way you can sort and access these invitations more efficiently, ensuring that none of them get lost amidst your regular correspondence. By following these easy steps, you'll seamlessly be able to join any Trello board you're invited to, helping you stay connected with your team and on top of all your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to give it a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on making the most of your digital tools. Until next time, happy organizing.